Hey everyone, hope you all are doing good. Today I want to show you how to secure your Instagram account with enabling two-factor authentication. So first of all, you need to download this app, Do Mobile. As you see, Do Mobile, you need to download it. It's available on App Store and Play Store. I did not check Microsoft Store, but it might be there too. So first you download this app, and there's nothing here now, so we go into our Instagram. So in here on your part, you hit the three lines at the top and you go to settings. In settings, we go to security, two-factor authentication, press get started. Then we enable first authentication app. Okay, then we press next in here, and it gives us, it's enabled in the app. Now we just have to copy this code and enter it into Instagram. So you just press on the code, on the numbers, it already copies it. You come here again, you press here and you press paste. You press next and it's on. So these are your backup codes. So for example, your phone is destroyed, you want to log into your Instagram account from your computer or whatever, and you don't want you cannot have the codes because your phone is destroyed. You cannot get into the app with another device. Just keep this in mind. So you will need these backup codes. So you can just tap on a screenshot in here. It will save a screenshot in your camera roll. Or if you don't want these codes, you can press get new codes, but there's no reason for that right now. As you can see, I came to the gallery to Photos app in my phone, and here is the screenshot. So again, back at the Instagram, here we press done, and here authentication app is on. So I recommend also turning two-factor authentication as text messages on too. So we press this here and it will text us a code. Okay, we enter the code here, press next, and these are the same recovery codes. You don't need to save another screenshot. Okay, and just in case if you forgot to save any screenshot of your backup codes or whatever, you can have your backup codes in here. Here's written backup codes. So yeah, these are your codes, and just make sure that you don't press get new codes, because if you do, then you have to save a new screenshot. So yeah, that was it for the security of your Instagram. Basically, if you do this, your Instagram is unhackable somehow, unless you log into your Instagram from other people's devices. Make sure that if you do that, you log out of their device, because they can log into your device under certain circumstances. But just to make sure, you can also go to login activity and see all the phones in different times who were logged in to your account. So you see, these are all my devices. I've just read them, looked at them. They were all me. And you can also see the address. For example, right now I'm in Markham, Ontario. If I see a login from, I don't know, Germany or whatever other country, then I have to press on the three dot in here and press log out on the bottom of the screen. And probably I have to change my password again. So yeah, that was it for today, and there's nothing else. I tried to keep it short and simple. If you want to keep up, please subscribe. If you liked it, please give this video a thumbs up, and tell me if there's anything, if you have any question or whatever, in the comment section. Thank you all and have a very good day.